She speaks slowly.
She speaks slowly.
He runs quickly.
He runs quickly.
They arrived early.
They arrived early.
I eat quietly.
I eat quietly.
He reads loudly.
He reads loudly.
She sings well.
She sings well.
We waited patiently.
We waited patiently.
He types fast.
He types fast.
They walked silently.
They walked silently.
She drives carefully.
She drives carefully.
The baby slept peacefully.
The baby slept peacefully.
He shouted angrily.
He shouted angrily.
She smiled happily.
She smiled happily.
He answered politely.
He answered politely.
They danced gracefully.
They danced gracefully.
The dog barked loudly.
The dog barked loudly.
She painted beautifully.
She painted beautifully.
He explained clearly.
He explained clearly.
They clapped cheerfully.
They clapped cheerfully.
I spoke softly.
I spoke softly.
She listens attentively.
She listens attentively.
He whispered gently.
He whispered gently.
They laughed loudly.
They laughed loudly.
The child cried sadly.
The child cried sadly.
She replied sharply.
She replied sharply.
He stood firmly.
He stood firmly.
They ran bravely.
They ran bravely.
She entered quietly.
She entered quietly.
He jumped high.
He jumped high.
The bird flew low.
The bird flew low.
I will come soon.
I will come soon.
She left yesterday.
She left yesterday.
He arrived late.
He arrived late.
They called today.
They called today.
She will return tomorrow.
She will return tomorrow.
He comes daily.
He comes daily.
We met recently.
We met recently.
I saw him before.
I saw him before.
He left afterwards.
He left afterwards.
She visited us last week.
She visited us last week.
I will go now.
I will go now.
They will join later.
They will join later.
He sleeps early.
He sleeps early.
We wake up late.
We wake up late.
She exercises every day.
She exercises every day.
He travels often.
He travels often.
They visit weekly.
They visit weekly.
She checks her mail hourly.
She checks her mail hourly.
I call them sometimes.
I call them sometimes.
He rarely smiles.
He rarely smiles.
She always helps.
She always helps.
He never lies.
He never lies.
They usually walk.
They usually walk.
We often eat out.
We often eat out.
I seldom watch TV.
I seldom watch TV.
He frequently visits.
He frequently visits.
She occasionally sings.
She occasionally sings.
We hardly go out.
We hardly go out.
They regularly check emails.
They regularly check emails.
I normally sleep by 10.
I normally sleep by 10.
He is very happy.
He is very happy.
She is quite tired.
She is quite tired.
They are too loud.
They are too loud.
I am so excited.
I am so excited.
It's almost done.
It's almost done.
The bag is completely full.
The bag is completely full.
She is extremely polite.
She is extremely polite.
He is fairly good.
He is fairly good.
We are barely ready.
We are barely ready.
I am nearly finished.
I am nearly finished.
She lives here.
She lives here.
He went there.
He went there.
They are outside.
They are outside.
I stayed inside.
I stayed inside.
The kids ran away.
The kids ran away.
He came back.
He came back.
She walked ahead.
She walked ahead.
He stood behind.
He stood behind.
They looked up.
They looked up.
She looked down.
She looked down.
We went abroad.
We went abroad.
He stayed home.
He stayed home.
She walked around.
She walked around.
The cat hid below.
The cat hid below.
He jumped above.
He jumped above.
The bird flew across.
The bird flew across.
They stood nearby.
They stood nearby.
She ran downstairs.
She ran downstairs.
He came upstairs.
He came upstairs.
I waited inside.
I waited inside.
She almost fell.
She almost fell.
He barely ate.
He barely ate.
They nearly won.
They nearly won.
I just arrived.
I just arrived.
She only smiled.
She only smiled.
He also came.
He also came.
We even tried.
We even tried.
They already left.
They already left.
I still believe.
I still believe.
She truly cares.
She truly cares.